take you through a bumper painting. It's a 2009, I believe, TSX. Mario already mixed the color for us. Had a lot of areas where it was primer, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix up a sealer coat. What sealer coat's gonna do is it's gonna help us with the adhesion. It's also gonna help fill in any scratches, and it is the best substrate for paint. So I'm gonna take you in the booth, gonna show you a couple of things, and then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna probably have a small video here, but hopefully you learn something from it, and then we're just gonna keep content coming. So let's go ahead and let's see how we do it. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna wipe it down with wax and grease remover. Actually, I use water first. You can tell the bumper's already been painted. The VIN number has been painted over. Some general cut throughs, so we're gonna go, we got a good color match. So go ahead and seal the whole bumper into this area. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna mix up some sealer according to the color. Try to match it the best we can. Probably gonna need about 8 or 9 ounces. PPS for everything. Alright, so our standox sealer, it's got a little bit of a fill to it. We're gonna go, this is kind of, put a little bit of this, put a little bit of that, get it to the shade you want. And go over if we need, and reformulate the mix. Alright, next, reformulate, hardener. You got 10% that you can go over or under and it won't affect the paint. But we try to level it off right at 0. There, very nice. Reactant agent. You can see the color is like a dark gray. So the sealer is just about done flashing. We're gonna give it a little bit of a tack in the sealer areas. That spray you saw me use is to help melt the edges. And that's only because we are trying to preserve our blend. I think my color match is probably pretty good enough anyways, but for the purpose of the video, we're gonna try to blend this area. Not a whole lot of room. So every time you touch the bumper, it's recommended that you give it a spray down. Keep this out of the paint booth. Doesn't need to be inside. Here we go. All right, we're gonna mix up some clear. A used car, I believe, so Montana, that's a pretty good clear. It's 2-to-1. High solids clear. Oops. Take it up to 4. Yuck. Clean up to 4 again. We'll go over that in later videos. Bit of a mix. PPS 2.0, it's the newest cups they have offered by PPS. There's a different variety of cups you can get from Sada. I even think Colad's making a setup kit. D cups, RPS, if I didn't say that already, by Sada. These work okay. A lot of guys have issues with them here and there, but you know, everything's gonna have their quirks. Using the same gun from sealer to clear, you'll find me doing that a lot. This is a really good gun. It's a copper. I've had this one for many years, back when I was spraying out of the garage. We've all been there. That should be good for a first coat. Down, turn. Down, turn. Check. Don't assume. All right, let's check it out. We're not even gonna tack it. No need to. Just gonna go over it with the stack gun. let's hit up our second coat. Here she is outside. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Smack her on a little bit. This one needs like a freaking... You can lock her up.